Here we go. I'm going to mock up everything with cardboard before I do everything. That way I know exactly what I want to do. I pretty much reran all my ground wires. Some power wires. I reran all that stuff. I still got a lot of stuff to rerun, but I want to get the back false wall done and the batteries. It's a wreck out here. But I'm about to show you my new amplifier. Ready? Steady? It's the new VFL 12K. Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? It's my template. But this is with the truck. This is what it's gonna look like. I got the false wall, hide some of the wires. The sides are all painted. They gotta be cleaned up and maybe out of focus. Light spray again. So I'm about to start drilling and getting this in here and then getting this floor down. I think all in all it's gonna be pretty nice. This is it. Put a hardwood floor in. Redid the amp rack in the back. Did the sides. Now I'm about to rewire everything in 4 amp, batteries, everything. Well, she's almost done. Fuses need to go in, but amp's all wired with 4-aught. 4, 8, 12. I guess so. That's should be 24 positive and negatives into it. Hopefully I get some sort of a difference. Hardwood's down, sides are done. I don't know if you can see it, man. It's nice though. Well, I'm done almost. This is it. Dark again. Got everything wired up. Got the AK over there. I just gotta, it's too late. I gotta tuck wires. $12K up there. I gotta fix this. I didn't have enough wire. I wanted to hear it really bad tonight, and I gotta do something with this shit too down here. But it's so loud with the AK. It's just disgustingly loud. It's ear piercing. Hope you enjoy it.